So here she is, the 1 watt 6CL6 amplifier built in the FM100 cabinet. So here's what it sounds like clean. I'm utilizing the 4 ohm speaker in this Champ cabinet. So if you bring up the volume, she'll start getting a little dirty. Keep advancing it and she'll get much dirtier.
That's weird.
Isn't it? So now we're going to test out the Monarch. This is the 1 watt amp running a 6CL6 ham radio transmitter tube. They actually use these in low power Morse code transmitters. Another oddball amp. Remember, it's only 1 watt.
That treble bass.
Yeah, tuning is tone.
Okay, yeah. Tuning is tone. So compressed.
Well, it was kind of an experiment. I wanted to see how low in power I could go, yet still achieve that Class A breakup and grind, obviously.
It's like so compressed.
Yeah.
Like so compressed. Like it's cool, like it does a neat thing, but it's like the one thing that it kind of does.
They call it a one-trick pony.
It is a one-trick pony, sir. But it sounds cool. That one trick is cool.
Yeah.
That's more like spongy kind of, you know. That boy's cooking too.
Oh yeah,
you can smell it.
Smell it. Great, yeah. Yeah.